To set up Do Not Disturb mode on the Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the display notification options, and then you'll be able to find the Do Not Disturb mode. Right here we'll be able to activate or deactivate our Do Not Disturb mode, and based on the future settings you should see this window or not. So in this case I have this window, so I can turn it on until I turn it off manually or enable it for a certain amount of time. We can also, when it's disabled, change if that window will even appear. If you select ask every time, this window will appear and will ask you for how long you want to enable it, or you can pre-select to enable it for 1 hour all the time or until you turn it off. So let's enable it right now and then adjust the rest of the settings. Next thing is a schedule, which allows you to schedule Do Not Disturb mode to toggle on automatically on the time and the day that you're gonna select right here. Then there's calls and messages, app notifications and alarm and sounds that are allowed during Do Not Disturb mode. So in this case most of them are non-allowed, but you can change it to allow it for a specific people, like allow only as selected contacts. That way you'll be able to select those contacts right here. Allow all except selected contacts. That means you can select the contacts that won't be able to call you. And also there's options to adjust right here that you can turn on. Also allow calls from all contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. You can enable repeated callers, so if somebody tries to call you 2 times during 15 minutes, then the call will go through on the second time. Then there's the messages. You can also allow all contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. Then we have app notifications. You can add app notifications to the exception list. That means if we activate, for example, Chrome, that way I'll be able to get notifications from Google Chrome when I'm in Do Not Disturb mode. There's also alarms and sounds. You can enable each of those options, like alarms in Do Not Disturb mode, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar, events, reminders. Next is hide notifications. You can click on it, then you'll be able to hide full notifications, and all of this applies when you're in Do Not Disturb mode. Then there's when the screen is on, hide app icon badges, hide from notifications panel. When you disable it, you can adjust don't show pop-up notifications and hide status bar icons. And that is all of the settings for Do Not Disturb mode. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.